Some fashion tricks never hurt nobody. Join our party and get creative with us. A normal formal shirt can get a stylish look in just a few easy steps. The same can happen to your t-shirts. You got to admit that these steps are very easy to follow, and the result is astonishing. It will be so refreshing for your clothes that you'll feel like you just bought new ones. We love easy and unique tricks. Watch this. How wonderful is this? This one will leave you speechless. Just perfect. While we're at innovative ideas, you will want to see this one. Here's what a ring will do to your scarf. Of course, you've got to do your part, but the end result is just perfect. Scarves definitely make a difference in your whole look. Plus, there are many options that you can choose from. So, choose the one that you think will look good in your clothes. The same scarf doesn't look the same when it's tied differently, and you can see it yourself. Same tools, but they give totally different results. Scarves make you stand out from the crowd when they're tied properly. There's so much that you can do with scarves. We're definitely loving the result. Go ahead and grab your scarves because you've got some ideas that you should try.